That's nice, isn't it? All right. That's very nice. Well, thank you all for coming onto the stage. We're going to do something very special. I need a little mood music. Hit it, AB. This should be fun. Oh, I have a great idea. I love this idea. Can we do this? What did you tell me your name is? Amaria, so glad to see you. Amaria, would you take your right hand, that's this one right here. Hold it out just like this. Amaria, I want you to close your right hand tight into a fist. Open it big, close it tight. Open it big, close it tight. Open it big, leave it open just like that. Stay right there. The magic is going to happen right here. Are you watching? This is going to be fantastic. That's my friend Mr. Sponge. That's my friend Mrs. Sponge. Amaria, are you ready? Mr. and Mrs. Amaria, please hold Mrs. Sponge. Squish her tight like I have Mr. Mrs. Mr. Mrs. Mr. Everybody, lean in and blow on Mr. Sponge. Notice that he disappears. He goes flying through the air. Amaria, open your hands nice and big. Nicely done. Good magic. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Do you want to see some more? Oh, I love that. You had no idea you could do real magic, did you? Let's try this. Watch. I think you'll like this a lot. My friend, are you paying attention? This is going to be super duper terrific. I like to reuse things. I found this Secrets box in New York City in 1984. I've used this same box all of these years, and I'm about to create an amazing magic trick. Are you ready?
Yeah!
These are bottle caps that I also found in New York City all of those years ago. Watch carefully. Will you help me count out loud? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bottle caps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, watch this. It would be cool if we could create a little magic with the bottle caps, wouldn't it? Watch this. Everybody watch closely. Watch the bottle caps. Watch. This one flies. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was pretty fun, right? I have another. Would you like to see another?
Yeah!
Do you want to see another?
Yeah!
All right, check this out. Now, this is super duper terrific. I have a brand new deck of cards. You can see the plastic wrapping is still on it. See? See the plastic wrapping? Still on the brand new red deck of cards. Now I'm going to show you the most extraordinary thing. I'm going to open this pack. Oh, gee. Does it maybe want to open? You think you can? Okay. Pull that little piece of plastic right there. Oh, you are extremely helpful. Pull that all the way off. Fantastic. That was completely sealed, wasn't it? You're a very good helper. Would you guys clap out loud for my helper? Thank you. So let's cut this open. What color is this deck of cards? Yeah? What other color? What's that color? Is it red? Yeah. It's a red deck of cards. Now, the deck has never been opened. So I'm going to take this red deck of cards out. Ready? Watch carefully. Ready? All of the cards are red. Watch this. Red, red. Someone asked me the other day, they said, Steve Trash, you're a green magician, aren't you? And I said, yes, I am. And they said, well, if you're a green magician, why do you use a red deck of cards? And I said, well, that's because being green is about lifestyle. It's who you are. It's how you use the planet's natural resources. But I understand what you're saying. Red is also a color. So you guys watch carefully. I want everybody to lean in. And when I say go, I want you to snap your fingers, just like that, at the red deck of cards. Ready? Set. Go to snap, go. The red deck instantly transforms. The red deck instantly transforms into a green deck of cards, and all of the cards. Oh, hey, look over there! La 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 la. Look at it. It's a big monkey on the building. Somebody. Oh, poo. That one didn't change, did it? Oh, I tell you what. Everybody, lean forward and snap your fingers. Ready? The red card. Ready? Go. The red card is now red on both sides. All right, we've got time for one more. Would you like to see one more? You didn't know that you had that magical ability? Now you know. Can you all do one more? Yes, we can. Let's do this one. This is one of my favorites, okay? Let's do, I've got an idea. I love Cheerios. I eat Cheerios almost every morning. I love Cheerios. Let's try this. The guys haven't really gotten to help me. Hey, Bryce, would you help me? You can stay right there.
There's no such thing as hot cocoa.
There is such a thing as hot cocoa. Do you drink hot cocoa sometimes with your Cheerios? Hey, Bryce, please choose 2 of those Cheerios and put them on the front. Get used to it, Bryce. Bryce, pick 2 of the Cheerios. That one's a good one, that one's a good one. Put them on the front. Sweetheart, grab all the other Cheerios that Bryce did not choose and put them back in the Cheerios box. Good job. Here we go. Bryce, my friend, are those the 2 Cheerios that you chose? Is your right hand or your left hand your magic hand? Right or left? Right hand is probably correct. Take this, take this. These are the 2 that you chose, right, Bryce? Here we go. Watch this. Bryce, point directly at the 2 Cheerios that you chose. See the Cheerios? Point directly. Just like this. Watch. Do you remember your magic before? This is Bryce's magic. Watch as he puts the 2 together. Bryce, you linked those 2 Cheerios together. Nicely done. Bryce, my friend, you get to keep that as a souvenir. There you go. Last one. Everybody ready? Put your hands together like this. Last one. Here we go. Do I have any recyclers in my audience? Do I have any recyclers in my audience? Check it out. I am a recycler. I love to recycle. In fact, I love recycling so much that I keep my recyclable pieces of paper in my wallet. Watch carefully. You'll see this happen. I have recyclable pieces of paper. Everything that is recyclable is valuable. Watch carefully. Are you watching? Come in closer. Here we go. Ready? Set. And everybody tries together. Set. Go. Clapping, cheering, yelling, screaming. Oh, come on!